Hungry? At Disney? Want McDonald's? It's easier than you think. Hey guys, budget-friendly hack here. Staying on Disney property? Have dinner at McDonald's. Save some cash. And let's find out how quick the walk is from the All-Star Sports Resort to McDonald's. Off we go. And how do you take advantage of this? Well, the Disney bus system. The Disney buses from the Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, or Hollywood Studios all go to All-Star Sports. And All-Star Sports is the closest hotel. So the next question is, I'm staying at a different hotel. Will this work for me? Of course it will. All you have to do is go to a theme park first, or maybe Disney Springs if you want to do some shopping there, and then take the bus back to All-Star Sports. And one of the cool things about the All-Star family of resort hotels, there's 3 of them, they each have their own independent bus. All-Star Music happens to be in the middle, so you could take your resort bus or All-Star Music, and you'd only have a short walk to get you to your hotel. Take the bus that comes first, right? Okay, sometimes at the end of the night when there's fireworks or a parade, you want to take the first bus you can get. And this trail took about 5 to 8 minutes, so not too bad. You could add a little extra time for waiting for the crossing light, but it really was a short walk. And while we're on the topic of saving money and helping out your budget, Disney's All-Star Resorts are usually the best deal. So save money for the food at the parks or the souvenirs, and you still get the same Disney bus transportation that the other resorts have. I call it a win. And if you're using this trail and following this hack, make sure to do it earlier in the day or later in the day. That way it's not 95 degrees outside like when I took this walk. And up ahead on the ground you see a Run Disney logo. Disney has running paths, and they also have running races throughout the year sometimes. It's pretty cool. And there it is. Just a few more steps and you'll be there. And make sure you watch the kids and keep everybody safe as you wait for the light to cross the highway and get to McDonald's. And now you're practically there. For more Disney budget hacks, more Disney rides, more Disney info, come back to the channel and check it out. Congratulations, you made it. Go inside, get some air conditioning, and have some food. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.